Not every flashy lifestyle you see online is legit. Some are funded by scams that end in regrets. Don't fall for the trap. Quick money schemes like Yahoo, fake forex, and CBEX promises paradise but deliver pain. Proverbs 13:11 says, "Wealth gotten by vanity will diminish." And we've seen this play out again and again. God doesn't hate wealth, He hates shortcuts. When you build with integrity, you build to last. When you scam, you crash. But what if you could make money legally, sustainably, and still honor God? In part 2, I will show you real life hustle Nigerian youth are using to do just that. And number 4 will shock you. Remember, we don't hustle, we align. We align with purpose, we align with God, and the rest follows. God bless you.